If you're a driver using the DoorDash app, seeing the "something went wrong" message can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to accept an order or confirm a delivery. This error usually pops up during key actions like logging in, updating GPS, uploading delivery photos, or processing payouts. In most cases, the root cause is connection related. Start by checking your signal strength and making sure the app is responding properly. Then force close the app and reopen it to clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't help, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can also solve the issue, especially during peak hours. If the problem continues, restart your phone and check for app updates in your app store, since updates often fix known bugs. For stubborn errors, reinstalling the app or resetting network settings may be necessary. Keeping enough device storage and maintaining a strong internet connection are the best ways to prevent this issue in the future. Most of the time, it's not the app, it's the connection.